Hey everyone, welcome. Today I'll walk you through how to register on the WhiteBIT crypto exchange, your very first step into the world of crypto trading. We'll break everything down in a super clear, beginner-friendly way, so you'll know exactly where to click and what to do. We'll cover how to create an account, claim your bonuses, top up your wallet, and buy crypto without stress, step by step, so you feel confident every step of the way. Oh, and we've got a surprise for you. Sign up using our link in the description, and you can get up to $6,200 in bonuses. Ready? Let's dive in. Smash that like button, and let's go. About the exchange. WhiteBIT is a cryptocurrency exchange that we think is a great choice for both beginners and experienced users. It's got everything you need: a simple crypto swap feature, advanced trading tools, and even ways to earn passively. There are over 400 trading pairs available, and the company has offices all over the world, from Portugal to Australia. So yes, it's a serious platform. What do we love most? Some really cool features. Staking with up to 30% APY, demo tokens to practice trading with zero risk, and quick verification. Super convenient. WhiteBIT is clearly on a mission to make crypto accessible to everyone, and we're here to show you exactly how to get started. Registration. Signing up on WhiteBIT is your first and most important step, but don't worry, we'll make it super easy. Even if you're brand new, this will only take a couple of minutes if you follow along. Go to the website, open your browser on your phone or computer, and head to WhiteBIT using our link in the video description. Why our link? Because it takes you straight to the registration page and unlocks your bonus. Click sign up in the top right corner of the site. A registration form will pop up. Enter your email. Make sure it's your real email. You'll need it to receive a confirmation code. Create a password. Write it down somewhere safe. You'll need it to log in. Referral code. There's a field for a referral code. Enter CP6969, also in the description. This unlocks up to $6,200 in bonuses. A great head start. Agree to the terms. Check the box to accept the terms and conditions. Click continue. You'll get an email with a 6-digit code. Enter the code. Open your inbox, find the email from WhiteBIT, copy the code, and paste it into the site. Didn't get the email? Check your spam folder. Log into your account. After entering the code, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Just enter your email and password, and boom, you're in. Verification on WhiteBIT is how you confirm you're a real person. It's optional, but we highly recommend doing it. It unlocks a ton of features like withdrawals up to 100 BTC per day and access to fiat currencies like Euro and USD. For beginners, it's fast and simple. Here's how we do it. Standard method. Just fill out the form in your account. Enter your full name, date of birth, upload a photo of your passport or ID, and take a selfie holding the document with a note that says WhiteBIT.com plus today's date. Submit it and wait. Usually takes up to 24 hours. Once verified, you'll unlock more features and get access to welcome bonuses. By the way, check the description. We've gathered all the best exchanges, wallets, and services you'll need to work with crypto. And don't forget to join our Telegram channel, where our experts keep you updated on everything happening in the market. Deposits and withdrawals. To start using WhiteBIT, you'll need to fund your account and know how to withdraw later. You can deposit crypto or USD. It's beginner friendly if you follow these steps. Crypto deposit. In your account, go to wallet, click deposit, and choose a coin. We recommend USDT, a stablecoin perfect for beginners. Select the TRC20 network. Only approximately 30 cents fee. Copy the wallet address and send crypto from another wallet or exchange. USD deposit. In wallet, choose fiat currencies, then USD, and click deposit. Enter the amount. For example, 500 USD. Add your card details and confirm. Withdrawals. Click withdraw, choose your coin or USD, enter the wallet address for crypto or card number for USD. Type the amount and confirm using 2FA. That's a code from your authenticator app. We'll explain that in another video. Always double check the network before sending crypto. One wrong move and your funds could be lost. For beginners, this is a crucial step. Stay sharp. Trading on WhiteBIT. Trading is why we're here. And WhiteBIT offers two main options. Let's break them down so beginners know where to start. Spot trading. This is where you buy and sell crypto at the current market price. WhiteBIT offers over 250 coins and 400 plus pairs like BTC USDT. The fee is just 0.1%, which is great for beginners. Go to trade, choose a pair, enter your amount, and click buy or sell. The interface is simple. You'll see price charts and order options to make quick trades. Futures trading. This is more advanced but exciting. You trade with leverage up to 20x. For example, with 100 USDT, you can trade as if you had 2000 USDT. But be careful, it's risky. There's also a demo mode, so you can practice without using real money. We cover futures trading in detail in another video on our channel. That's it, friends. WhiteBIT is a user-friendly exchange we recommend for beginners. Easy registration, fast verification, simple deposits, and clear trading options. We've laid everything out so you can start without fear or confusion. Sign up using our link in the description, grab your bonuses up to $6,200, and join us in the world of crypto. Thanks for watching. And if this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe. It means the world and helps us keep making more guides just like this.